How to build a workflow in Slack. So your first step is to open up your workflow builder. Inside Slack, click workspace name and open the workflow builder. So once you've clicked the name here, go into tools and select the workflow builder. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead and create a new workflow by clicking on create workflow and give your automation a name. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose a trigger because triggers decide when the workflow starts. Once you've done that, you can now move over to adding workflow steps. Now, add actions that the workflow should perform automatically, such as sending a message, creating a form, sending widgets, and anonymous feedback. Now, once you're done there, you can now go ahead and connect to other applications. So, Slack workflows can integrate with tools like Google Sheets, Jira, and Trello. Once you've done that, you can now test your workflow by running a test to make sure everything works correctly. After that, you can now publish the workflow once you're done and your team can begin using it. All right.